Hello guys, good morning, it's me again, Ryan, and I'm back with a pretty good day trading recap. I was about to make a recap, but I ended up trading this break. I thought it's really gonna break 1940. I was really hoping for a 1940 break. It's really holding that price. There's some huge orders there that, it's being sold every time it touches 40 area. 40 is kind of my level actually, but it's not really happening. I thought that's the one I was hoping for, and I'm out. Anyways, yeah, I was risking 1910, kind of like, I don't know, 25 cents, 20 to 25 cents risk. But since I was gonna make a recap, I didn't want to make a really bad trade here just in case it dumps, but it looks like it's working. And there's some orders here at 1950. There you go. I'm having FOMO right now. I want to get in again, but I'm too late. But yeah, let's forget about that. So I was long biased with NIO because I was really strong yesterday. I have this 1890 line that is really thick. Like, I was telling myself I have to maintain this area. If it maintains this area, I'm just gonna have it hold for long, for high of day break and pre-market breakout, which is really good. It worked. So where did I get that line? I got it from here, from this volume. It has 1.4 million. Sorry about that. 1.4 million. It started getting in here, and this is where it kind of like started. It sold off. It kind of maintained VWAP, which is a good sign that it's really strong. So someone bought 1.4 million of shares in there, and then it's keeping holding this line in here, as you can see, and it broke. This is the pre-market high. It's holding the price here, 1890, where it was bought. So that was a good sign, and it's above VWAP, 1890. There's a round number here. Oh my God, look at that. There you go. That was the move that I was hoping for. It could be a 1-to-1 trade as well. It's going to continue to high of day 1970. But yeah, see that? I was in here, risking below VWAP 1910. But I just can't hold it because I was about to make a recap, and I don't want to give back on my profit. So yeah, it was a really good trade. So I took it half size here, 40 cents risk, and 1980. So this could be about 10 cents, right? So I was like, maybe I'll risk 20 cents instead of 40. So after getting in 40 cents risk here, I decided to add up for a 20-cent risk. So my average will be about 1905. So 20 cents will be 1881, or like around this area below 1890. So as you can see there, later you will see my risk will be 1881 or 1880. But yeah, let's watch. And I was having really bad hotkey errors. That's why I was taking a lot of partials here, because I was my 10% partials was not working. So we'll see. Let's watch. Yep, so as you can see here on 919, I was actually watching it already. So I was kind of drawing lines. I said if it holds this level, I'm gonna have it long. If it breaks this, then I'll probably consider taking it short. But yeah, let's watch. Let's watch where I entered. I probably entered somewhere here because it was holding $19. It's a bit too far from VWAP, about 20 cents. That's why I risked 40 cents instead. If I risk 20 cents, then I'm going to be down 1R in this area, because it can potentially go down to VWAP again. So it's being bought, as you can see there. Someone's buying it. There's volume. As you can see here, there's volume holding VWAP. Here, there's no volume. Here, there's volume. So around this area, there's always volume. Let's fast forward this. I think I should fast forward this a bit. So I think this is probably where I took it long. So when I saw that it got rejected at 1890, I took it long. I was gonna take profit there, but my hotkeys were not working. So what's really happening? And then the market opened. So I was kind of panicking actually, but I said, okay, I'm gonna risk 1880 area just in case. And I saw that it's holding $18, like $19, not $18. And the volume there was about 1 million. This too is about $1 million. So it's probably a really, really good place to take it long. So 1 million is pretty good enough. So I was having problems with my partials here. I don't know what's really happening. That's why I was taking 10%, 10%. Then I moved to my keyboard hotkeys. See, I was sending limit orders instead of market orders there. So, and then I got filled here as well. So I was really panicking at this time, but I'm on the driver's seat, so it's really good. Look at that. Some like 60-cent move, 3-1, but I was taking partials here, so it's not really a 3-1 profit. I was taking 10%, 10%, at probably half here, and then probably almost all out here. Then I added, risking this low of this candle. So it took some off in there, and I said maybe it's not really. Well, look at the volume, crazy. And then this is real time, by the way. Someone's just kept buying and buying and buying. And this is probably where it will start dumping. When you see that someone's buying it, but it's not really pushing. That's where you. That's where it's probably gonna dump. If you're a risk taker, you probably short it here at 1980 area. So yeah, this is, as you can see here, it looks too small, right? But these are 1 million volumes. This is 8.5 million. We're about 38 million now. So I'm all out with my shares. I felt like it's not really gonna move up anymore, and we got a good portion of our trade, and my hotkeys were not working. My mouse hotkeys were not working, so I was really, really, really pissed. I could have made more in here, but I think because of the DAS update, it didn't really work with my hotkeys. So I had to reload my hotkeys. So yeah, sorry, it's kind of like a blur recap, but yeah, it went well. Look at that, it worked 100%. I almost got stopped, not really stopped, but my risk was 1880 area below this blue line. But yeah, it works. So yeah, that's about it, I think. What else? Oh, let's watch my fast forward a little bit. Yeah. So yeah, that's about it. And I don't know what else to say. Let's see what happened. Oh my God, look at that. Yeah, I was right. It broke. I was right. 2-1. I was right. It's just I can't hold it because I was about to do recap, and I thought it's gonna. Oh well. It's pissing me off right now. I think it's gonna hold 1950, as you can see here. Let's see if there's any volume at 1950. Yeah, there is volume in 1950. So it looks like it's gonna hold, probably break another new high of day. And yeah, this really sucks. Could have been a nice profit. I decided to bail out because I thought it's gonna dump like what it did here. And it's 1940 is like a level actually that it's been trying and trying. Actually dumped in here. That's why I didn't really want to take that, because this is where the huge drop happens, right? So as you can see here, it kind of hit all my targets. 1850 is probably my max if I'm gonna take it short. Yeah, it went really well. You don't have to trade the whole thing. You just trade the open and that's it. You get the whole move, right? See, I got the whole move. I really wanted to enter long here again, but I said, why would I do that? It's below VWAP and I got a good profit. Just trade the range. I trade the range, and yeah, that's it. So hope you guys like my video. If you like my video, please hit subscribe and hit the like button. And if you have any friends who has the same interest, maybe you can share it to them. And if you have any questions, just comment down below and I will get back to you. So I don't really draw. Sometimes when it's all-time high, as you can see here, it's all-time high. There's no levels for me to trade, so I kind of trade just the levels of the pre-market. As you can see here, the last VWAP was here, 1880. That's probably where I would probably take it. Took a risk of stopping out. Yeah, so look where it is now. Because my size here was a bit big, that's why I didn't really hold it. It's pissing me off, but yeah, that's about it. Have a good day, everyone, and stay green. Cheers.